Ding, ding, ding.
Ding ding. Here we go.
What you
I
do?
mean,
Does it just
obviously
go?
this is up. I mean, we should keep that buy stop in. Is what we should do. We gotta go into the market. I'm gonna take one at this level. Oh no, wrong, Brian. That was an ATM I had. I forget that I have to use ATM on this chart trader. Oi oi oi. We'll sort that out in a second. So you should be in at one, guys. One, one, one. Not two. That was a little mistakey wakey on my part. That
13.
was that was not fun. And again, it's not the best to buy at a level, but we get a breakout of this level. This thing's going to run to the next level, and the next level up is get some headwind up here around R1, but then we're going up to 83 if we break 70, 71, that is. Um, and again, you should be in just at one. Maybe that's a little too aggressive for some people, but this is up market, so we should be fine with that. And we'll try to keep this really thin before in front of 10, and maybe put a stop in. Crap, it bothers me that I got in with two on that one. That was stupid. That was dumb, Paul.
What did you had it set at 2? Yeah.
Yeah, now I have to be conservative, really conservative on this. You guys should only be in one contract right now. And then because this will make your average fill price somewhere around like 65 if you get filled down here.
Yeah, I'm in one with you. I'm just one.
Yeah, and but then you can take a target right back at the top of the little range that we took today, a little baby target after you get if you get filled down here. But that may not happen either. He may just keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on,
Oh, keep it on.
keep on keeping on. Keep on keeping on. Come on, go get my target up there so I can
Breathe easy.
get down to one contract.
You're gonna get it.
It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. I mean, this is the first thing I looked at this morning. I was like, oh, we're buying. Like, what else are we gonna do today? Buy.
I got in a little later than you because I wasn't as quick to get in, but I'm, which is good, I guess, because I'm sitting green. I don't know. This thing's gonna go. You'll be fine. It's gonna break this top. Q's gonna go too.
Oh. Some car drove into a crowd in Georgia.
Huh? Oh no, are you serious?
Um.
There it goes. Are you in the green yet? Yeah, you're good, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I can kill the stop here. Play this like a normal trade. All right.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, we're gonna
see
get that one
here.
contract. Looks like.
Okay.
Or
Well,
you got two, but
we'll just be patient, wait for the next level. I got one now. It took a target.
that's what I'm saying. You got at least one off.
Yeah, well, that was not intended.
Um,
Whopping.
yeah.
Maybe I should bought two on the M and Q as well.
Yeah, let's like slow creep up. See what happens. We got 10 minutes to news.
And in a situation with news like this, we can just put a stop in, guys, like a catastrophe stop. Don't really need that contract back down there anymore.
No, that one's gone.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Oh, you,
2 contracts. You know that, right? You got two
what?
contracts on both of those.
What are you talking about? Oh shit!
You're,
Good call. Thank you. It's supposed to be. Yeah, you know why? Because I had that set.
should we
I
just
was gonna.
lock in? I'm up pretty decent on this one. Should we just lock in some profit for the pullback at news, maybe, or
Yeah. No. Well, put a stop in. I mean,
but stop where? That was my
just
question. I mean,
normal.
my entry. My
Yeah,
entry
any
is
entry.
okay.
Because I would look for another
I'm
entry back here at 65 ish. Look at
I'm
that
at
stop on.
66 is my entry.
Good. That's a good. That's good. So 65 would be my next entry anyway. Um,
Yeah, I don't want to give Eddie this back. It's a decent little trade.
yeah. Well, I mean, let's just put a stop in here.
We could always get back in.
Yeah. What time's the news? Let's just put a stop
It
in.
was 9:45 is the first one, then 10.
Let me look at
But my question
the
is,
second
stop
stop.
where? Where? I mean, I don't want to choke the trade out either. So I'm gonna let it ride. What the hell?
Yeah. No, we're gonna do we're gonna do a stop. Um, let's see here. Let's put a stop. You got in at 65, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Greg, did you get in this?
Hope everybody did. It was pretty easy.
You guys get in this? Anybody? Yeah, lock in profits in. I mean, at the end of the day, that's fine. I'm not really that worried about the news this morning. I mean, they're
Yeah.
gonna they're gonna find out something that they didn't know and just drive the market straight down.
Yeah, that's true.
Not that worried about it. I'm trying to decide
I'll,
where I want my
I'm
stop to be. To be honest with you, I mean, you could always just
gonna
have a.
hold it.
Let's just do it here. Let's do a catastrophe stop down here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm just gonna let it put me in another contract when it comes back.
It's only one MES. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
here
That's
we
that's
can
the
be
thing. It's one.
really conservative and go to my original entry here if you're worried about the news. And you can always just like, again, are you guys in this? If you want to do it, put a stop in, or lock
You
in
got
profit.
profits
I'm
if
fine.
you're in it.
Yeah,
So
lock in profits or something. But I'm gonna let this thing go. There's a buy signal coming up on the smaller tick chart. Anybody interested? There's this buy signal happening on the MQ smaller tick chart. It looks like
literally right
ooh, I
now,
should have bought it.
literally right now.
Literally should have pressed the buy button. Damn it. You'd have targets off by now too. This is almost like if you had gotten in here. This is if I wouldn't just being conservative in front of the news. You should be adding one here. If there was no news coming up, this would be an ad spot. I'm working on this. What the Jimmy Christmas? Oh, oh, come on! I hate that it does that.
It's a
This is
little
not
long
bad.
here on MQ on MGC.
Look, I'm working on getting that nice little
Oh yeah,
course.
look at that.
Yeah, there you go. This would help, right?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
No, it looks good. Looks good. There's your. Let's end up on MGC. Small risk. There it goes.
What now? Long?
I said there goes ES back up. I mean, if you're talking about gold, I'm looking at it. I'm looking to get long here. If we can't break this 82, then 82.9, 83. I think it's a bounce off the top of this level. We'll see. And no rush.
Well, if you added when I told you to add, you got to take off now on the MES.
I did not add. I'm still in the original long,
Greg,
but no,
I'm
no
asking Greg.
complaints.
Greg, you're doing
Oh,
this?
Greg around? Is he
He's
in
in
here?
here. Yeah.
Trader 58. Yeah, he's there.
Trader 58. Just curious if you're doing it or trying to do it in sim at least. You can take you just take some profits, guys. Here, let's do this. Let's just get out of this. Take some profits here, and we get uh,
Okay.
some profit.
Lock it in.
Take your profits. What time is it? 43. Yeah, let's take our profits. We can always get back in this position. So let's close this out. We can always start reestablishing a position. Just let the news do its thing, I guess, here. By the way, yeah, not trading that account again. Rotate this account out. I accidentally did a couple of MQ longs on that account too. Didn't realize I was running the same account here. So I need to switch that account up, but we'll do that. We'll start over on a different account here. Considering that one's up $158 already, I'm good with that account. Let me holler at me about that if you get a gold long signal.
Yeah, it's not setting up yet.
Any of you guys want to look at the gold long signal with us? Here's what we're looking at. Uh, it's retesting this opening range high, low. I like it. This is nice. I like it when it does this. I mean, yesterday was a little harder to get into, which is why I was telling you I wanted that to have a sell stop below this level instead of trying to get in down here. But eventually, it just ran for a nice, huge trade. You probably end up with a long today. So if this turns around, I'm gonna buy it with you. And this is a pretty good level I have here too. Same level you played yesterday. So if it
Mm-hmm.
stays above this level, that's got to be a long, right? I mean, that's just how
Yep,
things work.
that's kind of what I'm looking at.
That's the thought
But
process
I
behind
need
it.
a little pullback to go long. It's right at the top of the opening range, so let's just see what just see what it does first, and because it could come back to the midpoint of that range. So, all right, 9:45. That didn't do anything. So,
I didn't think so. I did not think so. All right, now we've got to look at this as a breakout from back here. Look at the big tick chart again. We got to look at this as a breakout. It's already gone already, so I've got to get myself in a position here. So I'm gonna do a simple little buy stop above. Um, I
let's
mean,
get in.
literally, it's in right now. It's there now.
Yeah, I'm in.
Whoa! I'm supposed to take everything I do. Let's see, 9:45. Do we really want to wait for the 10 o'clock news? I don't. Is it gonna do anything? I
I
just
think
don't think
I'm
it's.
one. I'm one in now. I'll add another one if it pulls back. I
I
think
just don't
overall
think
we're
it's
going
gonna
up.
do anything. I mean, what?
I don't either. It might pull it back down, but it's just gonna reverse right back up. I think this is a
They don't
in
know what the job openings are. They don't know. I mean, this should be shit they know.
NQ making all-time highs again.
Again, yeah, there's just too much
ES
saying that we should be in the long.
ES is there now, coming up to it, and no, it's still got a little ways to go.
No, we get so that's what I was looking at earlier too. Is we got we got some room to get this up here on the ES. Some really good room. I mean, we should be shooting for something like 90 today. Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna do one long.
Oh
You're
yeah,
right. You're right. Do one long, and then we get a pull back down to this level. We get another one long at 69. Bounce. Wow, wow. Somewhere around 68. Yeah, no, I'm still gonna be conservative. I'm still gonna be conservative. I'm looking back at this other tick chart and go, well, that still says 68, doesn't it?
yep.
Or the big pullback entry, which would come back around VWAP in 89. I'm just gonna be conservative. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the big pullback entry back
60
here,
area.
right around 61, 62. Let's do 62 even. 62 even. There you go. That's super conservative. Gives you easy stuff to play. And all right, pull back on the M and Q. Maybe look for a couple long
Mm-hmm.
here. I don't know what account this is on. Let me see if this is gonna don't set up before I get ready to go. That's on that one. I don't need to do that one. I need to do that that account. Okay. I've already taken like. Oh, it went without me.
I'm in the NQ.
Gee, man, Christmas. There you go. I told you guys it was a buy signal. I didn't know another way to get that one out of my mouth. Dang it. Let that one go. Well, you should have had your targets off easy on that. That should have been
Yep, it
easy
was
targets
almost
off.
instant.
Yeah. I just didn't get ready in time. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. I was in the wrong freaking account too, man. Urgh. Okay, maybe this is a double bottom here on the smaller tick chart.
Oh,
Might be getting a little double bottom here on the smaller tick chart. Just keep your eyes on that. You guys should probably be looking at both the larger tick chart and the smaller tick chart, especially in a hugely expanded market that we're in. You're going to get some good setups from the smaller tick chart that you're not going to get. There you go. There's your double bottom. Boom.
oh.
You can get some good setups on that small tick chart that you won't normally get.
Long
And
on gold. Sorry. Sorry. I was listening to you. I get sucked into you talking, listening to you.
my, my voice that sultry. It's like a siren. He sounds like a siren.
It sucks me in, and I start thinking about it. Oh,
His voice is like a siren. We get all confused and just
you might get another shot at it if you didn't get in.
what? No, I pressed the buy button as soon as you said it.
Yeah,
Target $100. Actually, you know what? We could
I'm trying to
probably.
get $100 out of this sucker. I missed it by one freaking dollar last time. Try it again.
I mean, honestly, there's some good stuff back up here that you could probably target. Like this would be a decent little target if it breaks this.
What's that? 0405 area.
Yeah, somewhere here. I mean, if we want to be aggressive, you could probably go to 12, but 5 is where it says that it should get to somewhere around, maybe a little bit less aggressive, like 02. There you go.
Go,
2
baby,
2.
go. Who?
2 2. And that's a good 2
Poof.
to 1 risk reward ratio, too, right
Here we
there.
go.
Right?
Yep.
It's a
I got to
nice little 2 to
start
1.
trading two contracts.
Nah, I'm not going to touch 2 contracts on this shit.
But it's such got a great win rate though. Wow, it's insane the win rate
Yeah,
on this.
but stay consistent, dude. $100 you trade a
Yeah,
contract, two
yeah. I guess
contracts.
I'm
What
getting
are you gonna
greedy.
do?
You're right.
Lock in
You're
20,
right.
lock in $20,
Yep. And add more
and then
risk for no
risk,
reason.
and
You're
then
right.
risk for 45,
You're right.
$50.
Lesson learned. You're right.
I got my neurosurgeon at 11 on Thursday.
Oh, okay, cool.
You say cool? I
Well,
say,
I mean, it's good. Yeah, I say
well,
it's cool. I'd want that as soon as possible, dude. I
that
wouldn't.
was as soon as they had.
Well,
This place is
I
evidently
would.
top
That's not
notch.
something I want to. Yeah, to me, it's cool. The sooner you can get some serious
Hell yeah. The main surgeon I was
planning on.
referred to doesn't have anything till June.
Jeez. Yeah,
But
you need a plan. You need a plan. That's not something you can just
no,
wait
no,
around.
that's what we're doing on Thursday. Hopefully,
Yeah.
creating a plan of action
Are
for
you
these.
feeling any better? Well, it's hard to tell because you're
Hell
on
no,
the meds. You're on
no,
the
I'm
meds,
not
yeah.
really. No, yesterday I forgot to take them with me, and I just felt it. I could feel it just coming on, and eventually, before I could get back to the house to get my meds, I was just like in agonizing. I was like, "Does it hurt this bad before?" And I just got used to it. I was talking to Paulina about that, and I was like, "Did it really hurt this bad before?" And I got used to it, and she's like, "Probably." And I was like, "Oh my god, this is god
Oh,
awful." It just reminded me on how bad it was.
yeah. Yeah, you were pretty hurting there.
Dude, last night was bad. Last night I was just moaning and agonizing pain until the pain pills, to the meds kicked in. It was agonizing too, man. God, it was enough of a reminder last night to be like, no, you got to get your ass to a doctor now.
Yeah.
All right,
Come on, man.
do we move our
Push
stop on that
gold.
gold to lock in some of the?
I'm locking in 50, but I got in a little earlier than you did because sorry I forgot to tell you. But yeah, I'm gonna lock in 50. That'll put me at 150
Uh,
so far.
let me
Two
put this
trades.
in.
Maybe
Well, I'm up 50 right now.
maybe lock in 25 in your case. I don't know.
Half that. Okay.
Half that, yeah. I just want to
Yeah,
give it back. I mean,
that's fine.
why?
Yeah, I agree because you're still inside that structure too on that.
Mm.
If you
It
guys
could
want to
come pull
follow
back.
this, I don't know. I'm trying not to keep too many screens up, but we started with stop down here. I got in here when Paul said to. Should have probably gotten in back here.
And and unfortunately, Paul said it late.
That's all right. I'm tempted to just lock in like $15, just a little bit, because I don't want it to come back and take me out and then keep running.
Yeah, I wouldn't give it back because this could pull all the way back.
All right, we're gonna leave it halfway there. We're halfway there.
And, you know, it's,
Oh, yeah, I'm flat now. Flat ski. It's all right. I'll take that $50. $25, whatever it is.
yeah, I
25
locked in
bucks.
50, so they put me
Bye
at
bye. Buy
150.
signal on the M and Q.
Oh, wait, I'm not paying attention to MQ.
Buy signal on the
Yes, it
MQ. Hold on a
is
second.
setting
Don't
up.
just jump in. Just give it a second. Let it fully bake here. Now you got a good buy signal right above that midpoint here,
Oh
right
three.
here. Yeah, let me pull this chart over here. So I would put a buy stop here. Oh, come on. Why are you not working? Because you're not on. There, something like that. This ES, there was a buy here on the ES. I just couldn't. I'm not gonna be. I'm waiting until after 10 to get aggressive on this. We're sitting on top of it right now. As a matter of fact, it's 9:56. Maybe we should just chill ski on this for a minute. Yeah, let's. Actually, as a matter of fact, I don't like this. I don't like this doing this. This might be a loss here. I mean, technically, I should have my stop down here, and I don't
No,
want
you
to take that much risk.
give it a little bit. It's gonna break. Go. All right, I think I might. I don't like this NQ either. It's got too many wicks on that small tick. Come on.
Yeah, I might close this out. Just break even here. Squeeze my stop
Yeah,
actually.
I'm gonna get out of this, I think. Hold up. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Woo.
Ticking
Exhale.
target.
Exhale.
Mother ticking target.
Woo. That's a little
Mother
scary there.
ticker.
A little pucker factor. All
That was
right.
about a
Now you
six.
can come back and get me, and I
Had
don't
about a
care.
7 pucker factor on that one, didn't it?
I'm up almost 200 bucks in this count already. Nice.
Nice. Well, you're done with that account. Moving on to the next one.
Yeah, I can move on to the next one.
After 10, I'm gonna get a little bit more aggressive on these ES ads, guys. You should be in a little bit of profit by now. And don't forget, I'm playing these other stuff too. I'm playing a bunch of other, like, I got an ES trade going on over here. Um, I'm
I'm
waiting
right at
on
break.
on this account. I'm waiting for 10 for a pullback. I got my M and Q. I got another M and Q trade on another screen. So literally, I'm trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts right now because my bias is strong long.
Long. Strong long.
Strong long. He's strong long. I should I should probably stop doing Asian stuff, accents. That might make somebody mad. All right, baby, let's roll with this. This is a nice little trade here, people. Nice little trade. Winning trades. Post all my freaking winning trades and in here right now. I have a bunch of winning trades. Imagine that. Should I leave the
All right.
stop looser or just go? I actually think about it tightening it up.
Uh,
Keep my profits.
yeah, you're about to get probably up. Let's see, news in 10 seconds.
Yeah, well, that's. I'm gonna get light on everything right now, and
I'm just in that one long ES. That's it. Everything else is
yeah, no,
flat.
I am now. I get flat on everything.
All right, there's your news.
Hey,
Nothing.
there's some news. All right,
I get a little pullback.
all right. Now,
Get a little
again,
pullback.
this is an ad spot here. Um, if the news doesn't just
Uh,
start falling down, I'm gonna pull this contract up here and add there. It is a little down on the NQ, the news is, but I'm not really that concerned about that. It's actually creating another decent little buy signal down here, but um, I need to find this level on the. There's just dude, where do you find a level here? Come on, it's virtually impossible. We do know that there's a freaking strong level around here because price couldn't break it for a while, and it retested it there. That's a good
right
level,
about there, yeah.
and we know that there's a good level somewhere around here from that wick. Maybe a little bit lower. Nope, right there. Look at
42?
that test. Yeah, somewhere right
What
around
about
here is a
around
good level.
42 you got?
And I'm gonna guess that we got a level somewhere right around here because of this wick and this top here. There's a level somewhere there. That's just gonna be a good guess for me. I don't know if, and it should be a yeah, pretty good educate. Cause let me add these to it. So I got what is it? 823, somewhere around 9, so somewhere around 27,000, and 9 was it 69? So I got what did I say? 8 what? Six,
Uh,
863, and then it was 9 what? 27,000 is one, right?
27, 40, no, no, that's different than yours.
I mean 27 not 9. Hold on a second. Sorry, I said that wrong. So somewhere around this 27
Oh
900.
05?
Sorry,
Yeah,
oh
oh
five.
05
Yeah.
area, yeah.
So 27 900. I don't. So I'm. This is gonna give me a little different little. I thought my level's pretty good there. Should be okay. Yeah, somewhere around 03, 05, 2803, 2805. But like I said, I saw that on the chart.
We get out of this and profit and then let it pull back, get in on the yes, or
Hmm.
we'll hold it. I was looking at
No,
this
hold on a
yes.
minute. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna. Add, I'm gonna. We're gonna do an ad. I called that long setup on the M and Q. I just didn't take it because I'm trying to get my head wrapped around where we need to be trading from here. All right, let's just. I mean, for the time being, I'm gonna say that we're gonna look at something around here, but I just want to make sure we don't get in a position trying to buy if it's going to break down, but I don't think it's going to. So, yeah, that's probably going to end up being a decent level somewhere around there. I already know that somewhere around here is because we saw it on the big tick chart. I just don't really know what to do with the middle ground here. But so the point I'm trying to make here is we can buy everything that stays above this level here. Right? If it goes
Yeah.
below this level, then we start scratching our heads and thinking maybe we have a deeper pullback to buy here. But all these buy signals are working too, so I'm just gonna keep doing them until they fail. All right, we're gonna take this ad up here to this level here.
71.
Yep, and I'm gonna do since we're above my level now. Watch this too, because we got room to go up here. Here, let's do the big tick chart. We got room to get up here now, like lots of room to get up to all-time highs again. There's a little bit of headwind up here around 77. What is that high right there?
Well, you got
79.
Your Crable's at 77 and a quarter, so that's the high, right?
And then there, I mean, like we don't have a lot of
Here comes your Crable
we
breakout,
don't
so
have a lot of
that's
fights. So
that's
again,
good.
that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna
That's
take the breakout
fire.
here. We're gonna do an ad here. This is our ad spot because we got room to go to the next level. So let's do a buy stop. Now that it's tested it, that's gonna make it even more fun. So we'll just put a buy stop in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of this. Does not have to be
The only thing I
perfect.
don't like is the NQ doesn't look like it. The NQ's not, should have already popped, and we
So
got
the
crude
NQ's at
dumping.
all-time
That's a good.
highs. I'm gonna go up one tick,
This
I
is gonna
think.
go.
Yeah, it's fine.
This is
We're
gonna
good.
go.
Yeah, we're good.
NQ's gonna go too.
The NQ's just waiting on the ES to catch up. That's all.
Mhm.
All right, that's the play I like right there.
NQ above
And
95, I think you're good long, and also a break of 11,
and I
811,
and I
111.
and I would say that I'm going to be one of my accounts. I'm going to be aggressive on today. I still
Yeah,
haven't
I'm gonna
traded that
take.
stinking one. How in the fudge have I not traded that one account yet? I've traded every single account. $83, 270, 95, 153, and I'm still got one account to trade.
Of
That one is
95.
that one with $2 is really rocking it though. I'm telling you, that account
Mhm.
with $2 is like call it call it the Mad Max account. Okay. Um, annoying. This is annoying. I gotta get this one in.
Just don't like the way this NQ one can't break through here.
It'll be fine, Paul.
Okay.
Buy the
I mean,
pullback.
I'm in profit on the ES. I'm not worried about that. I'm just,
It'll be fine. Look, man, this is an up market. Don't worry about this little stall out here.
I mean, it's coiling up. So you got your Crable here at 111, somewhere around there, 111 and a quarter. So if you're an
Hmm.
NQ fan, you could look above 95. I'm long. I mean, I'd be okay with holding it.
Yeah, I
So I
mean
think it's going to
anything
come
that
up there
plays
and
out above
break.
this with this structure this morning, I'm gonna play. I mean, we already know this is a level now because why would prices be stuck here?
Just don't like the way it's not. Should have gone through there already. Come on. There it goes.
No,
Come on.
just
Push.
relax. You're being all antsy this morning, Paul.
Don't.
Just relax. It'll
I've
be
just seen this
fine.
NQ move so much. It's not
Figure that out later.
the bigger tick
It'll
chart
be
looks
fine.
like.
If you are scared, take profits. But again, news didn't do anything. ES is
Don't worry
still
about the
working its
ES.
way up. The
They
NQ
got locked in some profit.
again. You got to realize something. So the NQ all time right, all time highs.
The weird thing
ES
is crude is dumping and this thing's not
fine.
going anywhere. Crude's dumping.
But the ES is going somewhere. Watch this.
Yeah, the ES is going, but as I was saying, the
See,
NQ is not following.
it will. Well, it ran in front, dude. It's already in front. It
Okay.
already did its run.
But it should have broke
That's the
the
point I'm
high
trying to
already.
make. It's not going, dude. All time highs. There's a level here. All right. The best thing we could hope for right now is a pullback to our entry on the ES. I'm gonna pull that up just above that, right here. This structure that just left from.
76.
Wait, hold on. We should have taken a target. Never mind. We had that buy stop in. We got two on right now, so we got to take a target now. So, um, put I'm gonna put a stop in here. Take a target. If you're two on with me, take a target here. Let me just put a stop in. That way we can trail it because I didn't hit my target. I'm gonna make it tight, 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 tight. So a little tiny baby target because we got filled on our breakout, and we got room to go to this next level. Actually, I would take a target up here too, depending whichever one it hits first. Oh come on, my level's up there. Where's it at? Stop doing that. All right, target should be at. Get out of here. What? 83,
All right, here
82,
comes it. You.
82.25. I told you to stop worrying about it. Don't listen to Ryan. He didn't know what the hell he's talking
I
about.
want to catch this
All
breakout
right,
on
we're gonna
NQ.
get that target and we'll kill the stop. This will be a nice little target. We should have already gotten that target. There you go. Target off. Nice. Target off. Target off, people. Let's go. And this is a beautiful little thing here. Now, here's what we do. This makes things easy for us. Dude, I just need to get this damn one count. I got next pullback we're buying, or next at something ink breakout on the MQ or pullback. I gotta buy it. So you could be aggressive with this and say this is where the breakout came from, and put this other, which I'm okay being aggressive with this morning. You can just put another limit order there to buy again from that little level there, and I don't know, I keep trying to get one account in on pullback, and it's not pulling back for me to get that one account in. All right, here's your pullback on the M and Q. Again, watch the structure. Make sure it stays above the structure here. And there you go. That's how you do it. All right, I gotta get account 3. My group, what, 4. I do account 4 as whole $2, and then account.
See what it does here. Here comes your setup on the NQ, I think.
Account, yeah, 1. And this one's on account. Okay, hold on a second. Now I think we can look for a buy stop here on the M and Q. And if it breaks, let it go a little bit lower. It's going to try to go a little bit lower. Well, there's some wicks on the bottom. Now, what do you think? Buy stop at, it'll run back into structure too that it left from around 90, 28.090
90?
ish. Yeah. If it busts back through that, you should almost get instant targets. About 90.50, 90.50, something like that. And I'm looking at a smaller tick chart to make this decision. Not a huge risk trade either, I don't think. But here's my thought process on
See
this.
what happens here.
It should push back through. Maybe we had our buy stop a little tight, but I'm only using 2 contracts. But it should push right back to the top of the structure, which gets your target pretty easy. That was my thought process
Yep.
on it. That
Target off. I took it 90.50.
There you go. Target off. And I
That's
like this
what I would.
because then you can put your stop at the top of this structure that it left. Because if it comes back there, it's going to go all the way
Ooh,
down
oh
anyway.
boy. Oh boy. That was something.
Yep.
All right, we got some news there.
Now we got to take a little baby target up here. Get your baby target on. Sell limit. Put it in. If you want to be really conservative, put your little baby target down here some. Whatever you want to do. And then,
Was that
again,
news?
same as
That had to be
before. Just
news.
yeah, it's got to be news. Let me look at some my little news thing, Majingy.
I got my news up. I don't see anything yet. Pakistan foreign minister word confident of achieving major progress in talks. Okay, well,
Oh, that should
so
be going
what?
down.
That shouldn't do anything.
Hogseth says ceasefire is not over. Ooh. Spirit Airlines out of business.
Out of business.
Ain't got no business, do they?
They didn't have any business to being in business. That was
No, Spirit's awful.
a
No wonder they're
crappy
out of
airline.
business. And South America, I mean, I spent some time in South America. I mean, that's pretty much the only airline you have. But, the funny thing about South America is all the airplanes are
What?
super nice there. The Spirit Airlines is like
Oh,
Delta in South America. Like, so you couldn't have nice airplanes in the United States.
in the United States, they take care of them in South America.
Yeah, it was like, I'm telling you, man, it was like all leather seats, like nice, flying around there. You go from America to South America, and you're in a plastic freaking seat. Like, all right, what's causing us to drop like that?
I don't know. I know Trump's about to speak, I think.
Is he? This is a level. I don't want to get too much deeper than this, but again, we should stay a little bit conservative on this and let this back to this level. I've just had one sitting at this level all morning. I should just left it there. It's probably just a little reactionary pullback. It looks like there's a long signal on the M&Q. There's a long signal coming up here on the bigger tick chart too.
Yeah, I see that forming. I like that. One more candle to print, and that'd be even better.
Yeah, I uh, I think I like this too. And we're still sitting at this level in the ES here. This is almost a, it's a
I'll
look at,
take that.
it's a buy on the ES.
I'll take that. There you go. Target off. And instantly took me out. Jeez. All right. Let's hold off.
Yeah, I mean this is getting a little squirrely, so I don't think you
Yeah,
want
it's
to do
getting
this.
far. And Trump's about to talk. Who God knows what's going to say. In fact, you know what? Take a bathroom break. Be right back.
Yeah.
Hey, Lulu's back. Welcome back.
What? Oh, I'm sitting here. I'm so freaking.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at me too. I'm so focused on the charts.
Welcome back.
I wasn't even looking at the chart at the chat.
Cinco de
Welcome back, Lulu.
Mayo. Hi, what's up? Happy Cinco. Have me back. I need to.
Cinco de Mayo. Stretch. Do some partying in Mexico, Mexico.
Oh yeah, Cinco de Mayo. Stretch doesn't party. You kidding?
Stretch go for a walk on the beach. That's his
Yes.
partying.
I respect that.
Yeah. All right.
All
Bathroom
right.
break. Be right back.
Dan, Jockap, Lulu, Tom, Greg, Stretch. What's up, guys? There's your long that formed on the MES there. Um, should have bought that. I was looking at it, totally looking at it, but that's all I did was look. Again, like I said, if you wanted to be aggressive, you could put a buy stop in there and gotten three contracts deep. I'm just being really conservative with it. That's all. Greg, how you doing? You following along with this? Oh, I did get one long. Never mind. Nice. I did get one long. I thought I put a buy stop in somewhere. I'm gonna squeeze this stop up just a little bit more because I'm not like actually. Let's go. There we go. Flat. All right, this is starting to worry me. Let's put a stop catastrophe stop in here. I don't like this. I mean, my rules say we should probably start thinking about reversing this, but I'm gonna put a stop in and sit on the sidelines, guys. We're what 2 contracts deep. Uh, this is easily made up if this thing starts to change its mind, and that's just what you gotta do. Be conservative. Um, Now again, this is one of those things where if you really want to, you could put a buy stop in here if it pops up, and then that'll bring your fill price down to somewhere around uh, 76, and then you could probably take a 77 target. Again, I'm trying to be conservative here, so I'm gonna leave that off the table because I don't like this price action pushing up and then shooting right back down. So I'm just gonna put a catastrophe stop in and below this last little edge that was made here. If it can't stay above this, same thought process I had on the other one, right? If it can't stay above this level, then where we're going,
Right.
we got to go back down,
Down.
probably. Yeah. So why sit in agony and fight all the way down when my rules say if it stay now technically you got 2 options here. Technically, remember the same thing as yesterday. Technically, you could reverse below here, below this structure right here. Technically, you could reverse this, but we don't have an 89 point down yet. We're still above VWAP, So our rules say we are comfortably on the long still. But if that changes, I'll either get stopped out or I'll reverse it and start trading to the downside. But in a situation like this, I think I'd rather get stopped out. Not a huge loss on this. Not, I mean, what are you gonna rock it? You know, how much is the loss gonna be? Like
Uh,
$80.
yeah, so it's about $100. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather take the $100 loss. We did take a couple targets, so you're a $100 loss. That's it.
Yeah,
I mean, this is
it's not gonna be
not a
that
big deal,
bad.
and we're gonna keep we'll keep trading this account. We'll just turn it around, and I still think long bias is where it's at. I mean, we're staying above the VWAP. We're 89, still somewhat pointing up, starting to get a little flat, but pointing up. And that's how you make babies.
Trump signs proclamation restoring presidential fitness test award.
Oh,
Okay.
that's cool. They used to do that.
Yeah. Fear and greed's 50%. It's neutral.
What'd you say?
Just looking at news. Trying to just chill out, stay out of this market.
Keep yourself busy.
Yeah. Here's another thing, since I got some time to talk about this, here's another thing that I've been noticing on that gold, and maybe you could go back and look at it too, is when we fail the orb, the midpoint of the orb is a great target on a reversal trade. So like for instance, right now where that came back and if it came below the level of the opening range and we got that closing candle below it, I mean, it's just a no-brainer down to the midpoint. And
Oh yeah,
it's so basically take it on a breakout, right? On a clean breakout in direction with momentum and trend, and then take it on a fail of the orb, tops and bottoms, back towards the midpoint. Both those are pretty clean trades.
yeah. I did some looking at that yesterday. I just didn't look at that specifically. Uh,
I'm I'm loving this. I mean,
let me
it's
let me
insane.
I'm going to the restroom. I'll be right back.
Yeah, go for it. ES2, lower high, lower high, lower low. ES to lower high, lower low. Here's your breakout on. Here comes the. Ooh, missed the pop on the ES, but here comes the pop on the Grable on NQ. It may not get up there. We'll see. 111 is the number I'm looking for. 111.50. 111. I'm sorry. 112. 112.25. I think a pop of that, we're going to have at least, I mean, we'll get a pretty quick breakout, at least a quick little 10, 15 point pop if we can break it. I will take that trade. I will take that trade. I mean, look at the asset broke up. You had a quick little 77 cent. Yeah. Oh, I like this. There it goes. Come on. Boom. See if we can pop through here. Like a 113 entry, I think. 113 entry. There it is. Go. Boom. There you go. 113 to 127 and a pop. Anybody take it? And it's still going. 130.
Ah,
There
see,
you
that's how
go.
you make
20,
babies,
20
people.
point pop. I told you guys. I couldn't have told you any
No need
cleaner.
to stop anymore. All right, look now. This I wish I'd gotten
Did you
that
catch
with
that
you.
one, Brian?
No,
Did you catch that
I
one?
was away. No, I was
Were you in the
awake.
bathroom? Hey, I was
Yeah, I
talking through it. I
heard
said
you. I
I'm
heard you saying it.
113. I did that with
I
the
was
full six
I was
contracts.
trying I was trying to pinch it off and get back fast enough to do it.
Trying to get back, running still. Uh,
I was. I was like, man, I
yeah,
need to get
like
that trade.
that was a quick 20-point pop with six contracts. I'll take it.
I wanted that with
Done.
6 contracts too, man. Um,
That's a given, man. That is NQ classic. Every single time. That's what I told you. If it gets above that 111, it's going to pop real quick. And I guarantee you, somebody didn't take it, and now they're trying to get in now. It's going to pull back.
yeah, yeah. No, somebody's gonna screw that up. Um, all right. I'm considering this being an ad spot here since that ran up like that.
Oh yeah, I'm not even looking at the yes. Man, I'm green on that one too. Holy cow.
Yeah, no, you should have taken the target. Everybody got their target. Greg, are you following
I
this,
didn't
man?
I didn't take the
I really
target because I
try.
was so focused.
I'm trying to get you in this, Greg. This is easy. This is easy money for you, bro. I mean, your account should be rocking somewhere around what 70, 80 bucks, 100 bucks right now.
70, 80. I'm up 220 and one,
No, on the ES ones
300.
today. The
Yeah, well, the yes, yeah, the yes. Well, it's hard to tell because I mixed the two, so I don't know. But
on the
220.
eval.
Yeah, I'm 220 on the eval.
Oh, there you go. So yeah, you should
Yeah,
be at
220,
least 100 and something dollars with the
yeah,
ES trade.
220, 80 on the eval trade.
So you should be at least 100 bucks there.
I'm
Now,
at I'm at 51,024 on that. In what, 4 days now?
there you go,
Trading
Greg.
micros.
Where's Greg?
I'm
Greg, say something, buddy.
halfway, almost halfway through getting it qualified trading
I'm
micros.
trying to make you some money here, buddy. Trader 58. Let me. I wonder if I can like yeah, more options. What can I aggravate him somehow in Discord? Can I like send him a?
No, you can't.
Uh, let's try
I
to
mean, everybody in here should be
poke him a
seeing
little
these.
bit.
These are clean as can be.
Yeah, that pissed everybody off. Let's look at one right there. Right at my level. I need to find some more sounds for this. So I'm gonna do some of that today. Do we know? Was there a post done yesterday? Do you know that, Paul? Do you know if that happened?
I asked last night, but I don't know if I got an answer. I'll ask again. Well, we're going to talk here in a little bit.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're all gonna talk.
Yeah.
I think he got sidetracked thinking about what I'm doing. I'm like,
I know. I started
I
thinking
said,
about when you
no,
said that, like,
that's my fault, man. You can
it's
smack me
like,
for
here
that
we
shit.
go. You're right.
Keep Brian, keep your damn mouth shut. Is what you should
Yeah.
say. Keep your mouth shut.
Uh,
I'll do it. Keep my mouth shut, Brian. Keep your mouth shut.
he's
Keep
a,
your mouth shut.
got to keep him focused on one thing.
I know. Keep my mouth shut. Listen, I'm just gonna message you in our private chat going forward. It's the only thing to do. I'm tempted to add one here, guys. This is an ad spot. I mean, like, I think if it goes back up, this is a level, right? This is what we're looking for. This is I mean, it's a yeah, I already didn't have that, but it's a level in big tick chart too. I had it on a smaller one already, but there's definitely a level here. So if we can stay above this level, we got to go to it. Get it level to level. There's a
Yeah.
level up here. I mean, this is probably a better level, but you could guesstimate somewhere around. Like I said, what did I say? We got to go to 90 today anyway, right? I said 90
Yeah.
earlier, so you'd be. I think you'd be pretty comfortable doing that. Let's do a buy stop. Let's put it in. Okay, we got to go to 90, so that's not gonna be a big thing here. I think we can add one up here. Yeah, let's do that. And then we can take a little target, little baby target, here. Hang on a second. Let me look at this because this is looking like a little M on the the bigger tick chart. I mean, technically, if you really want to do this, you could probably add back here. This is a safer add, really, right here, where this last little peak came from. But again, I'm just being conservative this morning. I mean, the real ad level is probably where your current price is. So if you want to be conservative, I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive. I think we're in a big time up market here, so um, I don't like that. That looks like an M. But again, this is real easy stuff, guys. Just just go in here and put yourself a little. You don't have to follow this one. I told you guys you could take this back down here. Back your ad really could be back at 77 as an ad, not where I just did it. But again, I really think we're in a big up market, so I'm gonna put
Big
a
up.
sell limit here. I'm looking for 90, by the way, people. 90. Everybody knows that by now. Okay. Now you're getting back down where your ad could have been. And again, I'm fine getting three deep on this, as long as we stay above this. And I mean, this showed me right here when it pushed down here. This kind of showed me that this wants to be an up market. So um, you have a natural, like I said, right here around 77. You have a natural ad spot, so you could do that. And then obviously back down here at the level I have, because price has been attracted to that damn level all day. Um, you got another natural ad spot there. So um, I'm only going to get like three deep on this. So that's it. I'm going to try to get my fill price uh, down a little bit. You could come down to here and get a nice little target up here. That's it. I'm gonna go
It's fine.
three. Just because we're so strong in the up market, I'm gonna do three deep. Not really gonna push it.
We're
And technically, there's a sell
79.
signal forming on the NQ. There's a big sell signal forming on the. What'd you say?
I'm just I'm trying to compare your chart with my chart.
Oh,
I'm trying to follow you as close as possible. See
yeah.
how hard
Well,
it
I
is
mean,
to do.
if you want to do it, I mean, you gotta. I mean, if you, and again, if you're big green on the account, take your profit, man. Take your
I don't know about.
profits.
Yeah.
Take your profits. Remember, guys, I made money on an account. I've switched to another. This is my second account that I'm doing this on today. Actually, my third account that I'm doing this on today. So, um, if you're doing one account like this, take your profits and get out of this. You've made money. You're well over $100. That's our goal. Well over $100. You get that, Greg? Oh, wish you'd say something. Yeah, big pimping market. This is definitely a big pimping market. Well, I'm doing really well this morning, so I'm gonna say big pimping definitely for sure. Foshizi. This is actually turning into a smaller tick chart buy signal, to be honest with you. This is really turning into a smaller tick chart buy signal on the MES, but just be patient. Don't just press the buy button. I mean, guys, at the end of the day, we're doing today is buying pullbacks. We've done really well with it, so I am not. What the hell's going on? Hang on a minute. Somebody outside.
All right. Let me do 50. Low creep up here on the NQ. CVS will follow. Oh, darn. I missed the gold trade. Dang. Hmm. So might have to look at a long on this gold if it can pull back to 85, 85 and a half.
Oh, a long setup happening right
We getting a
now.
long set. Oh, on the NQ.
Yeah, both ES and NQ.
Yeah, I'm looking at the NQ. It looks like it might
That
be
smaller
setting
6
up.
chart's not a bad one for the MEAT. Oh, I should have been ready to do that. There's your long setup. Um, two. I mean, you could always, take a little baby target down here somewhere. I mean, you could always just get out of two like at this next level here,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah,
Get back down to one.
come go back down to
Yeah, get shoved back down to one. And it just sucks. We need to write a program that manages this.
that manages it.
Yeah, because when we're using our dynamic sizing
These are
methodology,
long.
when we're using our dynamic sizing methodology,
Adaptive
um,
positioning.
you got to trade from level to level. I mean, this is a great trade. Targets off, whatever I need to say for the A, I have to figure this thing out. But this is a great trade. We just crushed this. And the only thing we didn't do right is we didn't add on this pullback back here. That's the only thing we didn't do right. But we were already too deep, so we didn't want to get deeper than that. But if you take this like what we're calling dynamic sizing methodology or what's a better word, dynamic position sizing, there we go, dynamic position sizing, uh,
Adaptive positioning, right?
yeah, adaptive position sizing, there you go, adaptive or dynamic position sizing, I don't care.
Call it
um,
what you want. It
Call it what you
works. Look at
want.
that long working
I
out on
happen to
NQ.
use dynamic sizing methodology because that's what the AI says. Yeah, I like that long on the NQ. I should have gotten in on this account. This is an account that I need to trade right now. I think it is.
Oh, this is just too easy to do.
That needs to go to that account, and then I'm gonna do that. Okay, and then so what I'm talking about here is again with this trade. This trade's great. I don't know how to do this. Just say targets off again, but when we're talking about this trade, this is a great trade in the sense that we started back here this morning, way back here, way back here this morning, and we knew that if it stayed above this level, we want to get long. So we did. We got one long. We got a pullback. Got a target off. We got another pullback. Got another target off. Ran this all the way up to here. I think we bought in again here, and then finally at about $100 already before we got pullback. We got about $100 on one account. We started this over again with another account coming back here and adding in, and we got two or three targets off already, and staying within that core one position. Hopefully, um, this is easy trading. $100 per an account per day. If you have 10 accounts, that's $1,000 a day. Come on. And you're risking nothing to do it. Maybe that'll get on one of the shorts. I don't know. What I do know is if you're not, this is just the easiest way I can even think of doing it. And I agree with Stretch. There was lower lows, lower highs, and I started getting a little antsy in my pantsy when I saw this happening. Um, which is why I put the stop in. Smart, Brian. Have your stop in, and then if it stops us out, then we take a loss. We take $100 loss. Now we're working on $100 gain. So come on, this is easy stuff. If this makes a little double bottom, I'm gonna try to buy it.
On yes.
Yeah, we are getting lower lows and lower highs now on NQ and ES. So this level here. And again, I would advise not being as aggressive as me. 3 contracts. Um, but I'm pretty content thinking we're in an up market here. And I will probably, as we get closer to 11, try to start getting this down to like one contract maybe. We'll see.
Well, probably what we should have done was take when we pop back up in the profit, get back down to one contract and then add back in down here.
Yeah, I could have easily put this target down here for one contract. That's what I should have done.
It was long NQ.
You're getting it right now on the ES too. I didn't like that as much as this. Well, I guess no, that's a pretty good area on the NQ. Missed it. Let's see if this stays up. Doesn't look like it wants to stay up, does it? That's where I get at one of those points where I'm like, do we really want to keep getting heavier on this? I don't think.
Lower lows, lower highs.
Yeah, I'm
Uh,
not.
right now it's only $40 in the hole, so not a big loss.
No, this is
Do we want to add another one though?
not to two. I don't think so. I don't. I don't. It have to be like. It have to be like extremely low, below that level, 70, 71. I just. I'm trying to like. Again, I mean, we're in an up market for all intents and purposes. And if you look at it on the bigger tick chart, you actually have a really good oh, now I look at this a little different here. That's a really good level here we're sitting at. So let's bring this down to a bigger tick chart. Like, look at that high there. All right, I'm convinced on this now. That's a really good level. If it runs through this level right here, something stupid happened. You see what I'm looking at?
Oh, I'm gonna try to see the same as you here.
Like rejection
Oh, on the
yesterday,
bigger. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah,
and
yeah.
holding here today. Uh, just just a lot of price action right around here. Um, yeah. So I mean, I look at this Globex or this earlier pop down. This is probably the better spot, and it's off of it at 950. This is yeah. I think this is a better spot down here. Let's go a little bit lower on this, just to be super uber conservative. Something like that right there. You can be uber conservative on that one.
Yeah, I see that now. The bigger tick chart. I wasn't looking at the 30,000.
Yeah, I was trying to take a 30,000 foot view. Hey, that's what we should call it.
30,000 foot view.
And I mean, again, we can always and this comes back up here. We can always take the babyest of baby targets. I mean, it's not like it's take the baby of babyest targets. I still think I'm looking for not. What did we get to? What was the high today?
High today was
86.25
300, right?
and 28 130 something. All right. Yeah. You said 300? What are you talking about?
Oh, you talking about high on where? Yes.
ES, yeah. Talking about the ES right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to.
What it does here.
Yeah. Well, if the NQ gets back up above this level, we're probably back off to the races to the long side again. And my level here could be. I mean, this is what I used to, what we'd call a zone in the past. There's a lot of price action between 72 and 68. So that's me just having a super conservative stop. But I mean, the odds are if it gets down there, you're shaking your boots about it reversing anyway.
The lower lows, yeah.
Just the way. Well, there's nothing. I mean, again, I look at this whole thing about like, remember, like I talk about it being linear. If you get like yesterday, where was it? You know, this is a linear move. You start seeing a move like that, flip your shit around, flip it around, reverse it. There's nothing, that goes straight down. It doesn't wiggle up or down, wiggle down or up. It just went straight down. If it starts doing that, reverse your position and start going the other direction. We don't have that today. I mean, if this move down here wasn't even a linear move, it chopped down. Does that make sense?
Yep.
You know, and
Crystal clear.
so when I'm talking about this being linear, again, let's go back to this. You have to look at like that's a straight down move, right? Straight down move. Now you are already in a short bias at this point for the most part because you're staying below VWAP in this situation. But you if you were trying to be long, you don't get long and stay long when that happens. Okay, just don't do it. Um, same as from yesterday. Again, we were in a long position. My one mistake was when this level broke with a one bar shooting down like this. That's a reversal right here, but below this level. And you reverse that, you're back into profits down here to the next level. And times out of 10, it's going to go to the next level. And guess what it did? Stops at the next level. Okay. Um, and so that's the rule set. Like in the rules, in our rules, I don't know if Greg's listening or not, but in our rules here, this is a reversal pattern. We break VWAP, we break the 89, we stay below it, we stay below level. Reverse your position, especially when it's moving straight down. If it's stopping, and so again, let's give the example of this morning. If it's stopping, like this morning, okay, and it stayed above VWAP, stayed above 89, we'll stay at it, and it's staying right around the level, and it's not moving in a linear fashion, that's an add position, okay? In our rules say add then. Don't think about reversing. Don't get scared. There's a reason price stopped there. There's a, so look at it right now. There's a reason price stopped here right now. If you don't think there's going to be a good trade that comes out of this area right here, you're outside your
Cray cray.
mind. Now, is it
You
going to be
cray
long or
cray.
short? I don't know, but I know a good trade's coming out of here. Um, I hope to the long side because I'm in a long position. And most
Yes, we
likely to
want
the
it to
long
go
side
up.
as well. I mean, come on, let's think about it. Most likely to the long side because why? We're in a pretty strong up market. I mean, it's still pretty strong, I would say. Even though it's stalled out a little bit, some of the players are going to lunch or something. I guess I don't know. They made their money and getting out of the market. Liquidity, an area of liquidity. What is liquidity? What does liquidity mean to you, Paul? Oh, you hit an area of liquidity in the market. What does that tell you?
Contracts.
Do people are taking out
Area of
contracts?
liquidity.
What does liquidity mean? Are they adding contracts or getting rid of contracts?
Uh, it's an area where there's contracts. How about that?
That doesn't make it liquid though. That's what I think. That's why I hate the term liquidity. I'm like, what? It's so stupid. That's so dumb. Oh, look at that. Hopefully this is along. Out of here. Get out of here. No handlebars. No handlebars. What's that stupid song? What's that song? I can't remember. It's the only words I could think of to the song. It looks like we can get the long out of here.
No. Yeah, I was about to say, I'm just looking at it. Thank you also.
No handlebars. What is that stupid song? We'll take a little baby target. Take a little baby target. I mean, again, I would tend to be a little bit more aggressive in this market if it were just me. But I know you guys are scared, so take a baby target.
If
Yeah,
I get a little bit of an area,
take
I'll
a
just
baby
take one
target.
off.
80. I've only got two contracts on, so I like I like this spot right here. If you look back, there's a little tiny indecision candle right here. Got that doji hanging out there. Maybe you play the bottom side of that doji as your target. Well, that's exactly where it popped from. So yeah. So it'll get your target if it breaks above this next time.
Yep, I'm okay with it. I like the way it's looking, so.
No, I'm not worried about it. Again,
Uh,
this is not bad. I mean, there's no crazy moves. It's not like it's not taking off anywhere. This is really easy stuff. I really, I'm trying to see if Trader 58 is getting this.
I don't know if he's in here. He's not talking.
He would normally say something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's not shy.
No, he ain't. No, he ain't. He's a fun dude to hang around too.
Is he?
Yeah, he's a cool guy. Oh, about that time. I think I need to ice soon. Need to get some targets off here so I can ice my back and relax on this trade. I think we're. And it should looks like we're trying to get it up here. So that target should be pretty good. And then again, this is one of those trades that it's just great. You just I don't want to use the word grind it out, but I mean all you got to do is just trust your levels, man. Trust your levels. Look at this today. If you just follow these two levels a day and traded them, you did pretty well.
Yeah, you did right.
That's it. You did pretty well. Again, following our thought process, again, starting at what we did, I was in before the market opened because I saw this being an up market. I got it back here at like, my first one was like right here. Yeah, I saw this, and when it turned around, I got in one here, and then same thing, one here, came back, got two on target, came back, got another one on target, came back, another one on target. That's how I got that first account that I traded this morning up to about $158 just on this little move here. Then the second account I traded with you guys, right? Finished that one up here, switched to my third account doing this on today. And the only mistake I really feel like I had on this one was um, the only mistake I really feel like I had on this was that we didn't I didn't add a contract, so I couldn't take a target off. I should have added a contract down here, and I could have taken a target, and that would have been that would have beefed that that would have put this trade in absolute no lose. You know that, right?
Yeah, no lose at that point.
Absolute no lose
I
right now.
still think we're all right though. This should
No,
be
it's
fine.
fine. I'm not that worried about this. I just
Gonna take a while, I think, to
let this trade bake,
execute it.
man. That's all we gotta do. Let it bake for a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit.
this is one of those we just gonna sit on it for a little bit.
Easy bake oven. I could teach. I think I could teach anybody how to do this.
It's pretty easy.
Pretty damn easy, isn't it? Who wants to be my guinea pig? Who wants to do this with me? Who else wants to do this? Paul's doing it. He's killing it. Dan, anybody want to do this with me? I got I got 3 weeks worth of data to show you on live Bullinox accounts. Can't make it up. I can't make it up. It's a real deal, real meal, Holyfield.
Real meal Holyfield.
Look at that target, baby. Target's off again with this. Using a dynamic sizing methodology. You're constantly taking targets off and adding contracts, and this is just a beautiful thing. It just works every single time. Not every time. Now, if you follow the rules, you're going to get a high win rate on it. Meaning, only trade from levels. Only trade from levels. If you only trade from levels, you can be super conservative. I mean, again, there's levels
Easy
inside these
peasy.
major levels that I have, but you obviously there's a level somewhere here, right? You can see it on the chart. Somewhere in this area, rejection, dojis, dojis, rejection, tiny little doji. I love those. Those are good levels right there. When you see the tiniest little candle, those typically make for great levels. So there's a level here. So you can play this level inside the two major levels, especially in a strong trending market or a market that's up already like this one. And okay, just convince myself of this. Like this is a level. Why not buy another contract from that level, right? Why not?
Yeah.
Uh oh, I got to do a phone call. How's
Okay.
that?
You want to take a break?
Yeah, let's take a break.
Okay. All right. Just be back in a little bit, guys. Take a 20, 30-minute break.
By the way, I don't follow that. So I'm gonna put a stop in on this. Okay, I gotta step away for a little bit. So we're gonna put a stop in like right here. And then no matter what, that should end up profits. And I've got to take a break. About 15, 20-minute break. Let's do something like that. I really want to know if you guys are following along with this or not, but let me put the brake sign up. Put the brakes, hit the brakes. Actually, let's just put a stop here. Make it so guaranteed, locking all the profits we can get. All right, let's put a stop. Let's put a sign up. All right, there you go. Break time. What's happening? Oop, forgot.
All right, we back?
All right.
Yeah.
Uh, all right. Let's see. I do have a call at noon that I need to jump
Oh,
on.
we better get our trade on then. Well,
Oh, really? In this?
if you got a call at noon, we got to get this done.
We've had a great morning, man. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I'm playing. I don't care to trade, to be honest with you. I'm,
Okay. It's a good morning.
I'm really getting used to these just consistent small wins every day. It just,
It's great, isn't
I
it?
mean, I mean, I know it takes a little longer, like we were saying yesterday, but
Who gives a
man, once
crap?
it's there, it's over. Game over. And how do we blow an account? You can't. I guess you could. No, you can't. Not if you follow the rules. You can't. You cannot blow an account. I can safely say that. I know we can't say stuff like that, but you can't if you follow the rules.
Right. Um,
So we maybe let this pull back and just get one long, right?
yeah, I mean the thing here is the NQ just keeps on creeping up. So I mean I don't see any reason why the ES shouldn't be trying to do that here soon. So I turned back on my I get was given one of those little robot vacuums. I got one of those little robot vacuums.
Oh yeah,
Um,
those
it
those are
speaks
cool.
it speaks French though. I don't know
Ah,
how to change it to English.
ah. Is there an app or something for it?
I'm sure there is. I just turned it on yesterday and with it. I was playing around with it. I was like, "Go to your job." Speaks French. I'm like, "Come on." I don't know, man. Um, I think this morning was pretty darn good for us.
Mhm.
I mean, the thing we could do is look back at. Hang on just a second. We'll figure out how to make that thing speak English. English boy, speak some English with us. Okay, what was I talking about? I mean, there's not really much to do right now, dude.
Nope.
We came back at the wrong time.
Mm-hmm. This is pretty much just nothing to do.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we?
Come back this afternoon.
I have until about 2:15 ish. And I got to call at noon. I don't know, man. Let's
Well,
do
let's do this.
maybe
Go do your
look
call.
at
Go
look
do
at
your
like
call, and then
12:30. Take a look at like
yeah, I was
12:30,
gonna
and
say go. Yeah, go do your call, and then just reach out afterwards
yeah, I'm
if
gonna
there's
kill
if it's
the
worth getting back in, we'll get in. If not,
I'm gonna kill
we'll
the
come
stream
back
on
tomorrow.
YouTube, but we'll come back at 12:30. All right, y'all. If you're here in our here, if you're on YouTube watching, come back. Click below for a 7-day free trial.
Come join us. It's free.
7-day free trial. I see that you guys are watching. It's a 7-day free trial, and you get personal interactions with myself and Paul. Okay.